Hello kids, good afternoon. Welcome to our GK class. Today we are going to learn chapter number 41, 42 and 43. 41. Classification. Cross out the odd one. First, in this question there are triangles that is in each shape, but we have to find out the odd one. Means in E there is a square in the triangle, so that is odd. Second, in this question there is a blue colored mark in each figure, but in B there is no any blue color mark, so we have to put cross on B. Third, in this question there is a one circle, but in C there is a two circle, so we have to put cross mark on the C. Fourth, in this question there is a four part in each figure, but in D there is a two part, so we have to put cross on D. In fifth question there is a dark color dot in each figure, but in C there is a light colored dot, so we have to put cross mark on C. Sixth, in this question there is a orange colored field in the box, but in D there is a orange color out of the box, so we have to put cross mark on D. Seventh, in this question there is a dot in each figure, but in A there is no any dot, so we have to put cross mark on A.
Okay kids, now chapter 42, mirror holes. Mirror holes means that the objects are same on both the sides of the line dividing it in the middle. Observe the given pictures to find whether the dotted line is dividing the object into mirror holes. Put a right tick on your observation. So kids, you have to put right tick on that figure which are divided equally in both sides. So this two part is same after dividing. So first is diamond. So kids, this two part is same. Upper part and down side is diamond is same? No. In second number there is a triangle. The triangle dividing in between, so this both part is same, so we have to put right tick on second number. Number 3, there is tree, so trees both part is same, so we will put right tick. Number 4, there is a square. This square dividing in between, so this both part is same, so we will put right tick on number 4th. Number 5, there is a alphabet A. This A dividing in between, so this both part are same, so we will put right tick on yes. Number 6, this V alphabet is dividing in between, but that V both part is not same, so we will not put right tick on yes. Now number 7, there is a round shape, it is dividing in between, but this both part is same, so we will put right on yes. Number 8, there is 9 number, but this both part of 9 number is not same, so we will not put right tick on yes. Number 9, there is a rectangle. This rectangle both part after dividing same, so we will put right tick on yes. Number 10, there is a arrow. This arrow dividing in two same parts. So, we will put right on yes. Number 11, there is a heart. This heart, both part after dividing same. So, we will put right on yes. Number 12, there is a circle. This circle dividing in two equal parts. So, we will put yes. We will put right on yes.
Chapter number 43. Riddles. A riddle is a puzzling question posed as a problem to be solved or guessed. Solve the following riddles. What has a face and two hands but no arms or legs? Clock. Clock has face and two hands like minute hand and hour hand. What has a thumb and four fingers but is not alive? Hand gloves. Hand gloves have four fingers and one thumb, but it is not alive. Third, what has to be broken before you use it? Egg. We have to break egg before we have to use. What has a neck but no head? Bottle. What gets wetter as it dries? Towel. Number 6. Everyone has it and no one can lose it. What is it? Shadow. Now you all learn in ENV subject that what is shadow. Number 7. It's been around for millions of years, but it's not more than a month old. Moon. Now I will send you PDF of chapter number 41, 42 and 43. You have to write from the PDF. Okay, bye.